Hi, I have a new wig to show you. And this wig is from Raregen and it's called Anne. It's come in a brunette color. They now have this new color. Isn't she pretty? And this blonde. So it comes in two colors. I want to tell you about how soft the fibers are. It's premium human hair. It is blonde and it's rooted. So you can see here, you're going to cut that lace front off. And they've just fit it perfectly. They ask for all of your measurements, circumference, and everything. So it's going to come to you based on the measurements you send them, so you get that really good fit. Now, there's some other things that I really loved about this. When I got this wig in the box, here's the box. It came even wrapped with, it was a protection, covering on it. So I live in the Netherlands, so when it came to me, I didn't have to worry that it was going to get somehow wet in the mail truck or something like that. So I really appreciate it. It's one of the first times I got a human hair wig like this that actually came where the box wasn't crushed. They actually boxed it in another box. So it came really protected. I didn't have to worry about that box being destroyed. So you open it up, came in this really nice satin bag, which you can keep and store it in. It also came with a wonderful wig stand. It was just great. I have it already in my wig room, ready to hold this when I take it off. So really nice, one of those acrylic, really good quality wig stands and a wig grip. So they're really generous, and thank you, Raregen, for sending those nice things. Okay, let's talk about this wig cap, and I'm gonna take it off. Of course, I'm wearing a wig grip. Okay, let's talk about this. It comes with, it's got the lace, hand-tied lace, mono or lace top on it, full lace top. And then the rest of it is human hair, but it's sewn in, and its wefting is sewn in. I really like that the fact, I don't use them, don't need to use them, but it comes with clips so that you can clip it here if you want that more secure feeling. But a wig grip for me and the way this fit works just fine, but they add that in. If you don't like them there, you can also take them out. And it also has, it had a one here at the back. It velcros in so you can take it out, so it's easy to slip up underneath your wig grip for extra protection. But it also comes with this strap that is like bra straps, and it just hooks in. And what this is different, I like this, is that it also connects here. So you can adjust it. It adjusts to your head. So you're just gonna get a really snug fit. So let's put it on, and what you do is just, what I like to do is just take it, this strap from the back. Let me get it, it's unhooked a little bit. Let me get that hook on there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on by holding it by the strap. I'm gonna put my head in. See how I just put it around like that? And then I'm going to grab the back of the wig, pull it down to the nape, flip it back, and then position it where I want. Basically, I want 4 fingers away from my eyebrows. Everybody can be a little bit differently, but that's where, in general, most people will be. And look at that, it fits so good. Can you just see how great it is to have perfect hair in just seconds? No going to the salon, just like that. Okay, so this is a beautiful wig. Its name is Anne, A-N-N. As I said, it's coming in, I believe, now in 2 colors, and we'll keep you posted if there's a change to that. And there's also, you'll have to get the link below, but there's a link from me, a discount code that I can share with you, and I'll list that down below in the comments or in the details so that you can get that discount code for it. Isn't it lovely? I'm really liking it. When you get a human hair wig, when it's sent to you, now this is without washing it yet. So I just wanted to get it on right away. It did have a little bit of cold press in the bang, so I just took a curling brush and smooth those out and put that nice swoop back like that, right? So just got it looking lovely. But what you're gonna do when you get a wig, it's not meant just to always wear it right out of the box. So it's meant that you're going to cut it the way that you want it. Maybe you wanted shorter bangs. Maybe you want this back in here, layered some. Now this is probably what you're gonna find, that after I wash it, first thing you're supposed to do when you get your human hair wig is give it a good washing. Watch some videos on how to wash a human hair wig and be gentle with it and be nice to it, and don't use harsh detergents on it for shampoo, and condition it. It's just like it's real human hair. You really need to take care of it, okay? So be gentle, wash it out. Don't put conditioner on the roots. It could cause it to come undone. Okay, so just conditioner on the ends. You want to just rinse it out with a light shampoo and then really condition from here down. Okay, and then blow dry it out. If you want to just wear it, human hair usually comes where it has some wave to it and curly. So you could leave it that way. We'll see what it's going to look like after I wash it. I can't wait to do that for you. And then you're going to blow dry it out. So blow dry it. If you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, go to someone in your area that does washing, blowouts, and styling wigs for you. Because the other thing that you can do is cut this. And I think I'd like to have this have a little bit more layering in the back, not a lot, but just so that it thins it out some. It is a nice density. It's thinner on the top. It's lighter density on the top than it is down on the bottom. So it's really nice that it kind of lays nice. It's not poofy on my head. But I think this back here, I would like to see it just a little bit thinner. So I'll probably show you in another video how I'm going to take thinning scissors and just thin this out, and you can do it too. So I'll share some videos in the future of what I do on this wig to style it. And so stick around and watch me in the next video. Doing my darlings. I'll talk to you later. Bye.